everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you this beautiful mini backpack from JuJuBe. It's called the Mini Bee and it's the new print called Tokidoki Camp Toki. So it's like they're camping. All their characters are here and I absolutely love it. I bought it for my son. So when I take him to my sister or my mom, drop him off, instead of just giving them the diaper bag, that is my Orchid Hearts diaper bag, I will give them this one. So what I did here was just transfer everything that I use for him to this mini backpack and just keep the stuff for me in this bag. What I normally do instead of wearing it backpack, if I'm by myself, I just take off the straps and I wear it like on my shoulder. And it looks like this, and I absolutely love it how flexible it is because it's real leather. I will link it down below in case you guys are interested. This is a blush color. It's coming soon to the website. It's gonna be a little bit more pink than this one because this one is more like a nude color. So it's gonna be like a real blush color, similar to the Lily J pink color. That's what we're doing, and then we're gonna have different styles as well. So just make sure you follow Orchid Hearts on Instagram to get all the new pictures as soon as they come out. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I have on this Mini Bee. So here in the front pocket, I have just a cell phone for him. It's the Peppa Pig cell phone, and he really enjoys to play with this when he's like cranky or there's nothing else to do in my mom's house. She can just give him the cell phone and he gets distracted playing with that. We have apple juice here on this Pura bottle. It's insulated so it will stay cold, but usually we arrive there and we put it on the fridge. This one didn't come with the bag. It's just a beautiful tiny, if you'd like to look on eBay for cell phone charms, Tokidoki cell phone charms, you'll be able to find it. It was probably like $5 and it's very pretty, and I just put it there. And then I have here on this side hand sanitizer in case he goes to the park or something like that. He washes his hands or he used the hand sanitizer. Inside of this bag, it opens up like this, so all the way down. This is my wet wipes pouch from Orchid Hearts. This is a beautiful print. It's coming out and right now is pre-order. And we should get them in September, sometime in September, maybe by the end of September, we will ship them to you. They are gonna be $20, but if you pre-order, you're gonna be able to take two, and it's free shipping. So they're very pretty. We are not gonna have the zipper, so it's just like a regular closure here. And this is not gonna be square, it's gonna be oval, and it's super pretty. Let me show it to you. So this is how it's gonna look with the oval lid, and it is gonna have the this thing is falling here. It's gonna have a heart shape here. I don't know if you can see it, but I will put pictures anyway just in case you want to see it on Instagram. And you can pre-order it again on the website orchidheartsdesign.com for $18. It is a beautiful print. It's more like a winter kind of thing. Because winter is around the corner, so it's very, very pretty. And here the strap, this one is white, so you will be able to get one white and one clear. If you order, I think the first 100 orders will get this one, and then the rest of them will get just clear straps. Okay, so this is how I have this pack. I have here some snacks. This is by Pintro. It's just a pouch, a medium or small pouch. And this is the med kit right here in the bottom. I will show you what's inside. And then this one is just a medium set on the same Camp Toki print from JuJuBe. And this is where the change of clothes is, and a wet bag. And then we have all the diapers in here. I don't have anything in the zipper. I tried to put something and I thought that's why the bag was like falling down, but I'm not sure why it's tipping. Anyway, let me just show you what's on these bags. On this one right here is where I have everything that I need for a regular diaper change, or if she needs to do pull-ups. We change the pull-ups very constantly because if he pees, he kind of stays wet, and I don't want him to get burned or anything. So I have 3 pull-ups here. if he have an accident, we change the pull-up right away. So I have 3 pull-ups, a regular diaper, I have a change pad, we have here the mini wet wipes pouch from Orchid Hearts in the Jungle Love, and I put, what kind of wipes I put here? The kids can do flushable wipes, so I bought the refills and I just put them in here. Okay, and the last thing I have here is a dimple toy. I think it's called the dimple, something like that, fat brain toy. And he loves this thing. It's only like $5 and you're able to get it in Amazon, at the Sensible Mama, at the Nurturing Elephant. That's all I have in this clutch from Orchid Hearts as well. We have them in blue, pink, and gray. And it says Orchid Hearts by Pinter here in gold hardware. And we have a removable strap here on the side. And that's all I have there. Here on this medium set piece, I have a change of clothes. I usually put on this kind of change of clothes because it's very small and easy to put on those bags. And he's already size 2, so it is hard to put like a pair of jeans or a t-shirt in a medium set piece. And I really like these medium set pieces and I want to keep using them. So that's why I do just this kind of style in case you have an accident, and then a wet bag. He usually never have an accident of like getting his clothes dirty, but you never know. So it's better to carry it and have it on the diaper bag or his backpack. And then on this one, this is a beautiful print. It's called Under the Sea. It's from Vídeo as well. It's vegan leather. It's not washable, so you will have to be careful with it. But anyway, this is how it looks. It's very easy to wipe. And the inside, I guess you can pull out the fabric and clean it, like spot clean it if you want. This is granola that I have for him, a pouch, some raisins. This one we started earlier, and it's just some fruit, organic, like they're like gummies. And then this dum-dum just in case we need it. And this is what I'm talking about. You can just pull it out and spot clean it if you need to, and just leave it like that until it dries before you pull it in. And then the outside surface is just really easy to wipe down. So that's all I have in this small piece, and this one is available at our website as well. It's only $18 and I really like it. It's very, very pretty, Under the Sea. And then we have this one as well, that is the med kit, and it's a very small pouch, and I like it's more like a coin purse kind of thing, so you can put your coins there or use it as a med kit. And in this med kit, I like to keep a lot of things that I might never use, but it comes handy. I'm in Florida, so I usually use this one that is sunblock. I use calendula cream in case he falls down. I like to use this brand. It's called California Baby, and it's a calendula cream. If he hits his head or something like that, I put this on and he doesn't get a bruise later on that day or the next day. So that's pretty cool. I have a bunch of band-aids here. I have an extra chapstick in case I lose mine. I have, I think, alcohol wipes, hand sanitizer wipes. I have a pack of Desitin, some, what is this? I think I have this since I got pregnant. I received all those gift bags in the stores. This is the Mustela cream, hydration cream, more hand sanitizer and wet ones. That's all I have on this one. And that's it. I guess that's all I have in this bag. So I moved everything back to the nylon diaper bag, and I just want to show you how it looks. So I have my wipes here, and I have everything exactly what I have in there, but I also have these wet ones, this big bucket here on the side. I have his snacks here on top. I have my wallet, his med kit, the clutch with all the diaper essentials, the change of clothes here in the medium set piece, and his cell phone here on the side. So I have everything in here, and it was fully packed. Let me know what you think about these bags. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!